Welcome back to the Onepage channel. In this video, I'll show you how to activate and use the integrated analytics features in Onepage to better understand your visitor behavior and improve your website's performance. Analytics help you see how many people visit your page, which actions they take, and where they might drop off, all without using any external tools. In Onepage, there are two types of analytics: general analytics for your entire website and advanced analytics specifically for multi-step forms. This video is ideal if you want to optimize your Onepage website or forms based on real data, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced user. Here's what we'll cover in this video: what analytics are and why they're useful, how to activate analytics in your Onepage project, which key metrics you can find in the analytics overview, how to use advanced analytics for multi-step forms, and finally, the benefits of using Onepage analytics. So to begin, what are analytics? Analytics are tools that collect and display data about your website and how users interact with it. They show you how people use your site, which pages they visit, and how they engage with your forms or content. In Onepage, analytics are built directly into your projects, and you don't need an external tool to see the most important metrics. Now, why are analytics helpful? Analytics help you make data-driven decisions instead of guessing. They help you understand user behavior, optimize your content and forms, measure performance over time, and save time by seeing all key data in one place. Okay, so let's begin activating our analytics in Onepage. Analytics are disabled by default for new projects. To activate them, go to Settings, open Project Settings, select Integrations, and toggle Onepage Analytics to activate it. Once activated, the Analytics tab appears in the navigation bar, and data starts collecting as soon as your visitors access your website. The general analytics give you an overview of your website's performance. Key metrics include page views, which are the total number of page visits, visitors, the number of unique users, leads, which are total form submissions, and conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who completed a desired action. You might notice that page views are often higher than the number of visitors. That's completely normal. For example, if one visitor opens your homepage and then clicks a product page, that counts as 2 page views, but only 1 visitor. So the rules are: visitors equal unique people, and page views equal total pages opened. A higher page view count often means visitors are more engaged. You can choose from different time periods for your data, such as day, week, or month. You can also switch between different chart views like tables, line charts, or bar charts. Analytics can be viewed for the entire project or individual sites or subsites within your project. You also get additional insights including devices such as mobile versus desktop, traffic sources like organic search or social media, and geographic data including countries and cities. You can also clear all analytics data if needed. This action is irreversible, so use it carefully. Now, another great feature of analytics is that you receive these for multi-step forms. Advanced analytics are designed specifically for multi-step forms. They help you analyze user behavior and identify potential drop-off points. To access form analytics, make sure general analytics are activated. Navigate to the form you want to analyze, click Edit Form, and then open the Results tab. Inside of the Results tab, you'll find 4 key sections. Number 1 is Stats. You can view data as a bar chart, a line chart, or a table. This includes sources, devices, location, UTM parameters, and more. Number 2 is Funnel View. This shows data for each step in your form, including sessions, which are users interacting with the step, leads, users completing the step, conversion rate, these are users moving to the next step, and time to complete, the average time spent on each step. Number 3, you'll see Insights. Here you can analyze trends and patterns and identify steps with high drop-off rates. And finally, Leads. This section shows all captured leads, including form submissions and inputs. To optimize form performance, you need to simplify steps with high drop-off rates, reduce the number of fields per step, add progress indicators, and use clear instructions and error messages. You can also clear form analytics data, which cannot be undone. For additional insights, you can integrate Google Analytics for deeper reporting and Zapier to automatically send form entries to your CRM or other tools. Now let's talk about the benefits of using Onepage Analytics. Using Onepage Analytics gives you several benefits. First, direct integration. You can activate analytics directly in your project with no code required. Secondly, immediate insights. You can view page views, visitors, leads, and form performance in real time. Third, conversion optimization. You can clearly see where users drop off and then improve forms or content to increase conversions. Fourth, better decision making. Concrete data helps you focus on changes that actually matter. And finally, optional external tracking. If needed, you can still integrate tools like Google Analytics for advanced use cases. You now know how to activate analytics in Onepage, how to read key metrics like page views, visitors, leads, and conversion rates, and how to analyze multi-step forms in detail. With these insights, you can understand what's working, where users drop off, and where optimizations have the biggest impact, all directly within Onepage. Try activating analytics in your Onepage project and start analyzing where you can improve your conversions.